You will be hungry after 1 hour. Sorry. Hey everyone, it's Lauren Toyota. I am Hot for Food, back with another video for you this week. And I thought I would just order in Chinese takeout and not record anything. So there, just kidding. We're actually gonna make homemade Chinese takeout today in celebration of Chinese New Year, which just passed. And it was the year of the pig, or it is the year of the pig, I should say. I wasn't born in the year of the pig, I was born in the year of the dog. But I looked up some information and it turns out that anyone born in the year of the pig loves to eat and loves food. So how appropriate, because you're also hot for food. And you're also vegan, so you're not eating pig or pork in 2019, right? That's why we're gonna make vegan Dan Dan Noodles today, which is a spicy noodle dish traditionally from China. It's so delicious. I've had it at restaurants. We're gonna throw in a veggie ground round in place of pork for that dish today. And I also attempted to make homemade vegan fortune cookies. What? Yeah, you gotta have fortune cookies if you're gonna have takeout. So I did it. They're pretty cool. They're not perfect, but I could have just done one recipe this week and I did two for you. So you're welcome. We're gonna start with the vegan Dan Dan Noodles. Combine all the sauce ingredients in a bowl. So add soy sauce, prepared chili oil, black vinegar or rice vinegar, ketchup, Chinese cooking wine, sugar, and cornstarch. Whisk it until it's combined really well and then set it aside. Heat a nonstick pan over medium heat with some vegetable oil and add finely chopped shallot. Cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's softened. Then add ground Sichuan peppercorn, minced garlic, and veggie ground round. Break up the veggie ground round into smaller pieces in the pan while browning it on all sides for about 8 to 10 minutes. Add all of your sauce mixture to the pan and combine thoroughly with the ground round. Let this sauce come to a simmer for about 2 minutes. Then add in your bok choy and toss to combine well. Turn the heat down slightly and cover with a lid and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes until the bok choy is wilted but still bright green in color. Okay, we're gonna assemble this vegan Dan Dan noodles, and we've got cooked chow mein, which we're gonna add to a large bowl, and then we'll add our bok choy, veggie ground round, and sauce, and give this a really good toss with chopsticks and a spoon until it's well combined. Garnish this with finely chopped green onion and roasted soybeans. Now I'll show you how to make these cute homemade fortune cookies. Start by pre-writing all of your fortunes on little pieces of paper that are about 3 inches long and ½ an inch wide. The fun part is you can write whatever you want on these. Like Snickles says, you're gonna have a great day. Or Netflix and Snickles. Or my favorite, you'll be hungry in an hour. Now in a small mini food processor, you're gonna add all-purpose flour, aquafaba, aka chickpea brine, sugar, vanilla extract, sea salt, lemon zest, and 2 tablespoons of water. You're gonna blend this for about 1 minute until it gets foamy. You may need to stop it halfway through and just scrape down the sides of the food processor. Then check the consistency, and if it looks a little too thick, just add another teaspoon of water. Measure out 1 tablespoon of batter onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Then use the back of the tablespoon to smooth this batter evenly into a 2½ inch circle. Make sure it's really even and you don't see any parchment paper peeking through. You're only gonna bake 2 fortune cookies at a time because they cool and harden very quickly out of the oven. So bake these 2 for 6 to 7 minutes in an oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit. Have a muffin tin handy for when the cookies come out of the oven. Let these cool for about 15 seconds before handling. Then use a small offset spatula to lift the cookies from the parchment paper. Now using your hands, place a pre-written fortune in the center with the tail of the fortune hanging out the side. Gently fold the cookie in half, not too tightly, and then use the edge of a muffin cup tin to fold the ends downward to form a fortune cookie shape. Place the folded cookie inside a muffin cup so the cookie will hold its shape as it cools. Repeat this until all the batter is used up. Then you should have anywhere between 4 and 6 finished fortune cookies. Look at our Chinese takeout feast. We have vegan Dan Dan noodles and cute homemade fortune cookies for all. All right, now what was stupid is I wore this white shirt. I'm gonna lift this right up to my face to feed it. Now this is a very large portion. This makes many portions, but I did a large portion for myself. Let's get a good old bite here. Let's get a big old bite. So good. Once I ate this at a restaurant and they made it way too spicy, I could barely eat it. So I toned it down a little bit. You can always add more chili oil, of course, to your liking. Mmm. Isn't there something about like good fortune, like if you slurp up all the noodles, like you shouldn't bite them or something? That's what I heard. It's gonna turn into one of those mukbangs where like, All right, I'm slurping up my hair. That is a tasty one. Also, hopefully you can find the roasted soybeans because it's really nice. As a garnish, it's crunchy. And then we've got crunchy bok choy. The ground round's perfect. You could use another meat substitute too if you want. All right, what fortune? I don't want that one. Okay. Oh, Snickles loves you. Of course that's my fortune. They don't all say this either. So, okay, like I said, we tried with these. I think they're cute and fun. They're not like exactly like a fortune cookie because they're a little more rustic looking, but that's how we do at Hot for Food, right? All right, the lemon's nice in there, the vanilla. So give this one a go if you want. It's cute for a party or, I don't know, with your besties, whatever. You can even write dirty things in there. That's what I recommend. But you know, I was trying to keep it PG. Okay, I think the spicy vegan Dandan noodles are like getting in my eye, so I gotta go. Been cooking all day, getting peppercorns in my fingers. I don't know what's happening. All right, I'm here every Wednesday. Subscribe if you're not already. The button's right there. The link's below in the description. The recipes for all of these are on hotforfoodblog.com. Of course, go click, check it out, make them. Let me know what you think by leaving a comment below. And follow me on social at Hot for Food, at Lauren Toyota. And of course, you can follow my cat too, at Snickle Says. He helped with the fortune writing. All right, I'm out of here. I'll see you guys next week. Bye, love you. Dan Dan Noodles.